This is the process of meiosis by Logan, Tevin, Brittany, and Audrey. The differences between mitosis and meiosis are mitosis has body or somatic cells, and it also has same genetics or clones, the daughter cells do, and then it has two daughter cells. Meiosis is a sex or reproductive cells, otherwise known as gametes.
You guys are all done with your test, right?
And it is known as genetic variation because they aren't the same. And then there are four daughter cells. Prophase 1. This is where the sister chromatids form, and it's where the chromatids pair with the homologous pairs, or tetrads. Crossing over occurs in the prophase, and that's when equal sections of DNA exchange between homologous pairs. And then metaphase 1 is where the tetrads or homologous pairs line up in the middle. And then anaphase 1 is when homologous pairs separate onto either side of the cell. And they're pulled apart by spindle fibers. And then telophase 1 is when each cell has the identical chromatids, and they divide into two, otherwise known as cytokinesis.
So now in prophase 2, the nuclear membrane disappears, and the spindle fibers and centrioles start to reform. And then in metaphase 2, the chromosomes start to line up, and the spindle fibers attach to the centromeres, and yeah. And then in anaphase 2, the sister chromatids are pulled apart, and then the cleavage row starts to form. And finally, in telophase 2, you have 4 genetically different gametes. The end.
Whoop whoop!